Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Now, business and tour operators in Boscobel in St. Mary and surrounding communities are hoping there will be increased flights into the Ian Fleming International Airport over the next few weeks. As you'll hear in this report, they welcome the new flights, but they want more.
It's been a month since American Airlines began its non-stop service from Miami to Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel, St. Mary. Already, some business operators say things are looking up.
You've been getting guests from the plane already?
Yes, we have, and it's been great, awesome, and they're loving the place.
I'm here every day waiting on this. Years, months, I'm here waiting on this. So it's happening now, so it's going to be a joy for us.
Sometimes we have guests coming in, like, for example, 4 o'clock, and we have meals to prepare for 4 o'clock. But because of traffic on the road and stuff like that, we get thrown off. So, I mean, it's really, really good.
The Ian Fleming International Airport has been in operation since 2011. Before now, it had been operating at a loss. It's hoped that the twice-weekly flights could bring some level of economic boost not only to the airport, but also Boscobel, St. Mary and surrounding communities. There is an acknowledgement, though, that it will take more than 2 flights weekly to bring significant change to the area. It's why these people want the authorities to do more.
And we would like to see many more aircraft.
We are expecting for it to open up for all week so we can have flights coming in every day.
We sought a response from the tourism ministry about the possibility of increased flights to the airport.
We expect that American Airlines will increase the frequency of flights between Miami and Ian Fleming International Airport later on this year. That's our expectation, given the sales so far and the very positive outlook that we're seeing there.
Despite the optimism from senior strategist Delano Seavright, it's still not clear if and when those additional flights will commence. What's clear, however, is that business and tour operators will be waiting.
More money and more things better in Jamaica, so we can lift our cap high and show that we are independent.
Anthony Log, TVJ News.
Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $154.58. The Canadian is being sold for $115.95. The pound is trading for $197.91, while the euro is selling for an average $168.74. The JSE index advanced by 1,663 points today, while the junior market index gained 34 points. Among the 51 winners were Margaritaville Turks, JMB Group 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, Jamaica Stock Exchange, AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. The 37 losers were led by Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica Ordinary shares, One Great Studio Company and Jamaican Teas Limited. Now 21 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.